Hello, Mike here from Your Successful Affiliate Influencer. Now today we're going to talk about how to start affiliate marketing and where to start. But before we do that, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then click the subscribe button below please, then click the little black bell next to the subscribe button for notifications when my next video comes out. As I said, we are going to talk about how to start affiliate marketing. Well, think of yourself in a tunnel, a long tunnel at that, and you cannot see daylight at the end of the tunnel. And it's going to be a long, slow process to get to that far end of the tunnel. It's not a sprint to get to the end of the tunnel, because if you try to sprint, you are sure to fail. Yes, you've probably seen other marketers doing YouTube videos saying that in 1 week or in 1 month they're making 6 figures. Yes, they probably are, and they will probably show you proof. But they have been doing it for a long time, probably 2-3 years or more. Sometimes a year, but it usually takes, to get to 6 figures, it takes a long time to get there. You have got to think of making just your first $100, or in my case, my first £100, as I am in the UK. You need to study your product in whichever niche you're in, because you need to know what you're talking about and what you are promoting. If you don't know what you're promoting and you're just trying to sell it, people will know this. They can see it in your face when you're trying to talk about it, or if you're doing a blog, you need to know exactly what you're talking about and what you're trying to sell. Then you need to create a hook. And when I say a hook, a bait, we have a saying in this country, a sprat to catch a mackerel. You need something small to catch that mackerel. And in other words, something like you need to be able to give something away free, i.e. like ebook. And this is when you come to study your product again. You put in there information, you give information away. You might say, well, if I'm giving information away, people are not going to buy my product. You need to give stuff away because then this hooks them and they will want to know more. And that's the reason why we say in this country, as I said, a sprat to catch a mackerel. Always be prepared to give things away. Now, the next thing you are going to need before you start promoting, you are going to need a landing page, because you will need to collect, should I say, their emails, so that because people do not always buy straight away. So once you've got their emails and you've collected them, then you can keep sending emails out to try and hook them again. And again, in all these emails, prepare to give something away. People like things free, but the more you give away, it's going to come to a point where they're going to say, I want to know more. Well, this is when people start to buy. Now, when you created a landing page and you created a series of emails to follow your landing page, the next thing is you've got to be able to sell the product in the first place. You've got to be able to get a following. Now, I do YouTube, other people do Facebook, or you've got Pinterest, and several other areas which you can actually advertise on. But like as I do YouTube, it takes a long time before people actually start to watch your YouTube videos. You're probably going to say, well, why do YouTube videos? Well, with Google, they have to pick up your keywords, but they won't pick this up until you've got numerous YouTube videos out there. It's no use doing 1 or 2 or 3 YouTube videos and then thinking, oh, people will find them. They won't. As I say, the hardest part is getting people to view your videos. And they say the first 1 to 1,000 followers you get on YouTube is the hardest part. when you actually do YouTube. Once you start to get that following, then your YouTube videos will show up on the side. I've no doubt when you look at the YouTube videos, down on the right hand side you will see streams of other YouTube videos which you can click on to watch. Now your YouTube video won't come up there for a long time. As I say, you need, well, they say at least 50 odd YouTube videos up there before Google will actually pick up on you. Once one picks up on you and then another person picks up on you, then in time your YouTube video will show up. And in your YouTube video you need good content. It's no use putting rubbish out there. You've got to give good content out there with keywords within your YouTube video. As with me, I do making money online. So as there's one keyword there, passive income, how to make money, you name it. You've got to use keywords. And keywords are very important. Don't make up keywords. People if you go into somewhere like YouTube or AdWords or somewhere like that, and then you put up, say, passive income, you will get a list of keywords come up underneath what people are actually putting in. And these keywords you need to use within your videos and in your thumbnail when you put your YouTube video up, and also your tag words. So keywords are one of the most important parts of a YouTube video. Once people start to see you, and as we were talking about, you've been in a tunnel, you will gradually then start to see the light showing up at the end of the tunnel which you're walking towards. This means people are looking for you and are following you and subscribing to your YouTube channel, which is what you want. And as I said, don't be afraid to give away free information. Like I said before, that saying I said, a sprat to catch a mackerel. The more you give away, the more people are going to listen to you, and the more they are going to want to know. So be prepared to give stuff away. As I say, I got a free ebook, if you see down below, which will give you a certain amount of information what you need to know. And one of the most important parts when you are making money online is to brand yourself, to give yourself a brand name, which my brand name is Your Successful Affiliate Influencer. It's a very important part of being on YouTube. So be prepared to put the hard work in. Don't try and sprint to the finish to get there. Walk slowly, and the slower you walk, the quicker you will get there in the end, and then you'll be able to earn money online. Affiliate marketing is a brilliant way to earn money. The other thing you mustn't do is, as regards myself, I'm a pensioner, so I'm already retired. But if you're looking to make money online, you think, and you're working, and you think, oh, I'm going to give up the day job and start to do this, don't do that. You need to start small and gradually build up. You'll find it's going to take months and months and months of hard work to be able to start earning money online. And if you give up the day job, I know you will actually regret it. And I've heard of many a person actually doing that and realised it was such a big mistake. So if you're looking to make making money on affiliate marketing, as I say, I've got a free ebook down below. Please sign up for that one, and it will give you a lot of information what you require. Please give me a thumbs up for my video if you like it. Please leave a comment down below also. I will be pleased to hear from you. And this is Mike signing off from Your Successful Affiliate Influencer.